Hey, what's up, guys? This is gonna be my daily recap. So I started off the day on HSDT. Um, let's see. So it was back over here. Let's see if I can move this up a little bit so you can see the time. There we go. So I started trading in pre-market. Let's see. I don't really remember. Yeah, it's way too zoomed out. Let's see if we can zoom in. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, we'll go to the hourly maybe. I believe I just traded off the $1.50. I don't really remember, to be completely honest with you. I don't remember if there's a daily level, and I'm zooming way the hell out. So, um, but I took a good trade on this thing, and that's all that matters. So, took a trade right here. It is a little bit low for my liking, but I took a trade right there. It failed. I added some more size to it. I covered half, and then I covered everything over here. Um, Super quick, easy. At the open, it did not pop up high enough. I wanted it a little bit higher. And it was also doing a halt fest. Uh, had some crazy volume at the very beginning, and then it just pretty much died out. But at that point, I had already moved on. I believe that I was trading Huma. Was the next trade? Yeah, I started in pre-market. I'm pretty sure. Can't remember. Might have been after the open. Nope. Yeah, I did trade in pre-market. So obviously, key levels right there. Came up over, shorted, risking just over the high. Short, covered half. Uh, Honestly, should have covered more. I didn't. Popped up. I covered break even. Then honestly, I really don't remember exactly how I played this because I'm pretty sure I longed it. I think I long, sold. Uh, See if I can zoom in a little bit. Ooh, shit. Too far back. Da, 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 da. Alright, so here we go. There we go. That's a lot easier to see. Short, cover. Uh, Pretty sure I shorted weakness, shorted again, covered, longed, sold, short, cover, added back short, cover break even. Uh, Not the most beautiful trade. This is actually the only stock of the day that I am slightly red on. But yeah, really, I mean, I should just. I'm pretty sure that this is short, added short, cover. I'm pretty sure that that's how it went because I'm pretty sure that. Yeah, I don't think I longed this. No, I didn't because I have short, so I did not long this. It was only short, so this must have just been. I didn't get cover all my shares, and so I once I realized I must have covered again. Like I said, I really don't remember. I traded 5 different stocks today, so um, but I did short here again. But that's the shitty thing. Like I'm shorting up here at 640. It never returned. And if I wanted to added back more size over here and got greedy, I could have kept my short in, and I'm pretty sure it failed all the way down. Pretty sure. Jeez. It did. I mean, I could have been in from 640 to 460. I mean, that's crazy. That's a crazy good. Sucks, but I mean that's what happened. I got greedy. The next thing I traded, I believe, was it's gonna be difficult. I think it was coal was the next one I traded. Um, So the reason I traded right here, pretty sure this is off of a daily level actually. So this was off of either a daily level or an hourly, and I'll explain why. So this level to the high, yeah, is shortened just under the 61 fib. But the funny thing was, if you guys go to the hourly, this actually went higher in the hourly. So it had two different levels, and so it also went lower in on the hourly also. So which made it a little bit more difficult. I don't remember if I took the trade on. Yeah, I took the trade on the daily, not on the hourly, because when I finally noticed hourly, that's when I started looking for possible different plays. Because I mean, it had a double topping up here at 350, at 7 and 8 in the morning. So yesterday, I guess. I thought that maybe it would be shooting for that level. I'm actually curious that it did not get to that level. It did break over the level that I was looking at. The whole day I was waiting for this thing to. I wanted to pop and fell at $3. I was looking over here. I was actually recording because, shit. Anyways, we'll go back to this really fast. So once it's stuffed out, I started taking. I went in part size, then I added some more size. I was risking off this. Obviously, came down here, covered half. The rest break even. Then it popped up here. I was like, man, I really want this to pop up to the $3 area, but then this tanked, right? So this is what I was recording. It didn't work out the way that I wanted to, so I kind of I deleted it. But this thing sold off 550,000, and then 500,000, 950,000, and then on the following bar, it bought back 950,000 shares. And I was like, okay, this is gonna be interesting. So it just sold off a ton, and then on the next bar, it ate it all up, and then the next bar, it reclaimed all of this. And so what I was hoping for, I wanted this to squeeze and rip up, and that's kind of what I was looking for. Can I do that? No, it doesn't work like that. But it didn't happen like that until over here it finally squeezed right before after hours. But yeah, I'm not trading after hours. So then, the other stock that I was trading was MYSZ. So this thing was another one that I thought had the potential to squeeze. I think it had like 1 million float. So what I was looking for was this thing came down, had a low, a higher low. My first and my second targets are both consolidating together. This popped over the VWAP, came down, curled, and I was like, man, all right, I'm going to take a long right here. It didn't look like it had much volume, and it didn't have much volume. It didn't have much follow through, and so I covered half. It started falling back down. I covered the rest, and what I was hoping for was I wanted this to come up to at least the 61 fib level. I was going to cover half, cover another half. I think add back my size, and that should at least keep me in the money at least a little bit. I was really hoping that this would try to do a break of the $8. I didn't know what it was going to do. I did have a lot of overhead resistance, so I wasn't sure, but it didn't work out the way I wanted to. But I mean, I didn't do too shabby on a quick little long scalp, so I was not mad with that. Then on this, I was actually talking to a guy in Jay's room that was watching this also. So clearly, there's a level. There's another level. So when this broke through the first level, it was I believe this is SSR stock also. I think it's micro float SSR. pops through, fails again, and then all of a sudden the volume starts coming in. I longed it, covered, longed again, risking just off of here. I didn't like the way is sketched me out. I covered, and then I left alone, and I missed the big move. So like right here, if you look at this, actually here I'll do it on this. Has like a little tiny fake breakdown. Bought back up. I mean, it's trading with relatively decent volume. It's got a low, a higher low, lower low, but we got bought back up, higher low. Is forming a trend, and then all of a sudden the volume starts coming in. This would have been a beautiful long right here at 740. I mean, this thing got all the way up to $12, which is insane. Yeah, I really screwed up on that one, but man, this would have been the move of the day right here. I wasn't even watching this. That sucks, but anyways, whatever. The other thing, I almost guarantee that this line up for a fib. It did double time. 1, 2. That would have been beautiful right there. But anyways, I had a good day. I'm happy. I really need to not be a greedy mofo, and I just need to be happy with what I got. So it was a pretty solid day for me. If I can keep doing this consistently for roughly about a month, smaller size, I'm going to be above my starting point, and I'm going to get out of my drawdown, which is the whole goal. So this is my day, really quick. Yeah, hope you guys had a good day. I am so tired. It's time to have a bourbon, kick back, relax, and enjoy my weekend. So hope you guys had a good day, and I will catch you later.